about Jamaica.
Hi, Wagwan. My name is Jania, and I have decided to start a very interesting series on how to talk Jamaican patois. Just what you've been waiting for, right? What qualifies me to teach this? I was born and grown in Jamaica. Well, that's how we say it in Jamaica. You're born and grow, which simply means that you were born and you were raised in a certain place. What I want to give you here is just a quick overview about patois. The Jamaican patois is really a Creole form of language that was developed in Jamaica. Patois is classified as a language. It is not a slang. It is not broken English, and you do not speak Jamaican. What you do speak is Jamaican patois or with a Jamaican accent. Get it?